In this video, I'm going to explain Chapter 5, Lesson 3, Sides and Angles in a Triangle, page 193. Okay? We have two theorems. If two sides of a triangle are not congruent, then the larger angle is opposite to the longer side. The second one, if two angles of a triangle are not congruent, then the longer side is opposite to the larger angles. Let's see. Example 1. Ordering triangle side length and angle measure. Let's see. A, they ask for what? Write the angles in order. So as you can see, sides are given, so you have to order the angles from smallest to the largest. As I told you, the smallest angle is opposite to the shortest side. Which one has the shortest one? The smallest number, 27.2, and it's opposite to what? It's opposite to H. So H is the smallest angle. After H, we have what? 28.5, which is opposite to J. Then 33.4, it's opposite to G. So it's in order, okay? But if the angles are given, you have to order the sides. As you can see here, we have 39.54. This one is missing, okay? By using the interior measure of triangle, it is 180. We can find this one. Add those two numbers, then 180 minus this number. Or you can use mental math. 39 plus 54 plus which number equals to 180 plus 87. Okay, so is equals to 87 degrees. Now let me write nicely. 87. Okay, can I decide which side has the shortest length? Yes, of course, because we have the measure of the angles. So the smallest angle, it is opposite to the smallest side. 39 has the smallest angle, so it's opposite to what? To KM. KM has the smallest side. After KM, after 39, I have what? 54, which is opposite to what? To LM. Then the biggest one, it's 87. It's opposite to what? To LK. Okay. That's how I order the length if the angles are given. And if one of the angles are missing, use the mental math, add them, it has to be 81, or add the two numbers, two angles, then 180 minus that one. Okay, this is about the first case. The second case, they ask for what? Applying the triangle inequalities theorem. They say what? Tell whether a triangle can have side with the given length. Explain. The first one, you have 3, 5, and 7. How can I solve it? You have to add 3 and 5, and it has to be greater than 7. Then you have to add 5 and 7. It has to be greater than 3. Then you have to add 3 and 7, and it has to be greater than 5. Let's see. Let's solve it together. The first one, 3 plus 5. It is greater than 7. Yes, of course. 8 is greater than 7. Then you have 5 plus 7. It is greater than the third length, which is equals to 3. Yes, of course. 12 is greater than 3. Then you have 3 plus 7. It is greater than 5. Yes, of course. It's 10. 10 is greater than 5. So it's correct for all the cases, all them. Then we will say yes, the sum of each pair length is greater than the third length. So yes, it can be the length of the triangle. But if one of them is not correct, if one of them is not greater than, so you can say it will be the side length of the triangle. Okay. The third case, in this case, they give us two numbers. Okay. The length of two sides. In case 3, we have 3 numbers. You have to check one by one. But case 3, you have only 2 sides. They ask for what? The range possible of the third side. So 2 numbers are given, which is equals to 6 and 11. How can I solve it? Look at here. On this side, I'm going to subtract them. 11 minus 6. Then write the inequality sign. Then add them. 11 plus 6. Okay. Now 11, when you minus them, 11 minus 6 equals to 5. When you add them, equals to 17. So the third side, that's between 5 and 17, but 5 and 17 is not included. Pay attention. So it is 6 till 16. Okay, sometimes the national question, they change it to this. It's the same. Okay, pay attention. It's the same with this one. Let's solve some example. Question 1. This is not Q, this one is R. Write the angles in order from smallest to largest. As you can see, the side length is given. So you have to find the angles. Which side has the shortest length? It's 40. It's opposite to what? It's opposite to R. Okay, the sides are given, so find the angles. The second shortest one, it's 45. It's opposite to P. Then the third one is 57 and it's opposite to Q. Okay. This one, you have to find the third measure. Okay, 39 plus 46 plus which number equals to 180 plus 95. Or you can add them together. 49 plus 39 equals to 85. Then 180 minus 85 equals to 95 degrees. Or you can use mental math. Then all the angles are given. Just order the sides together from shortest to longest. So which angles has the smallest measure? It is 39. It's opposite to what? To Y and Z. It's Y and Z. Then the second smallest angle, it's 46. It's opposite to what? To XZ. Okay. Then the largest angle is 95 and it's opposite to what? To longest angle, which is equals to X1. That's it. Case 2, you have 3 numbers. You have to check all of them together. 4 plus 7. Okay. It is greater than 10. Yes, of course. It's 11. 11 is greater than 10. Then I'm going to add 7 with 10. 7 plus 10. It is greater than 4. Yes, of course. It's 17. It's greater than 4. Then 4 with 10. 10 plus 4. It is greater than 7. Yes, of course. So it's correct for all of them. That's why we will say, yes, it can be the length of a triangle. Question 4. Okay, let's see. 2 plus 9. It is greater than 12. No, it's equals to 11, and 11 is not greater than 12. Okay? 11 is not greater than 12. That's why it is not correct. Question 5. We have 3, 3. 3 plus 3 is greater than 6. No, it's equal to 6, but it has to be greater than 6. That's why it's not correct too. Okay? If you can do it by mental math, you know, just add the two smallest number, and if it is greater than the third side, it will be correct for all of them. But if you don't know, check all of them together. Question 6, we have what? We have 1.1. The first case is true, but the second one, 1.1 plus 1.7, it is greater than 3. Let's see. When you add them, it will be 2.8. It's not greater than 3. That's why it's not correct. But if you have a case like this, 3x, then x minus 1 and x power 2, when x equals to 5. Let's see how to find the numbers. 3x, it will be 3 times 5, which is equals to 15. The second one, x minus 5. 5 minus 1, it will be 4. X power 2, x equals to 5, so 5 power 2 equals to 25. Okay. Let's see if it's correct or no. When you add 15 plus 4 equal greater than 25. It is greater than 25. No, it's equals to 19. 19 is not greater than 25, so it's not correct. Question 8, you have what? 7c. c equals to 2, so 7 times 2 equals to 14 plus 6. So 14 plus 6 equals to what? It's equals to 20. Then 10 times 2 minus 7 equals to 13. Then 3 times 2 power 2, 3 times 2 power 2 equals to 12. Sorry. And when you add 20 with 13, it will be greater than 12. When you add 13 plus 12, it's greater than 20. And when you add 20 with 12, it will be greater than 13. It's correct for all of them. Then the third case, add them, then subtract them. 12 minus 8, then put x, write the inequality sign, 12 plus 8. 12 minus 8 in question 9 equals to what? Equals to 4. 12 plus 8 equals to 20. Then the other side, we have 16 minus 16, put x, 16 plus 16. 16 minus 16 equals to 0. We have x, and the other side we have 32. Okay? Then 11.4 and 12. We will say 12 minus 11.4. Write the inequality sign, 12 plus 11.4. When you subtract them, it will be 0.6 x. This one, it will be 23.4. So the range of the third side, it will be, it's located between 0.6 and 23.4, but 0.6 and 23.4 is not included. Pay attention. Okay. Same this one, it's just like the other questions. The sides are given, so you have to order the angles. Angle what? Which one has the smallest one? It's 35. It's opposite to J. Then after J, you have what? 51, which is opposite to L. Then 62, which is opposite to K. Okay, or you can say J is less than 2L and it's less than 2 angle K. This one, maybe some of you, they ask for what? There's 2 missing angles, but it's not. This one is 90. So 66 plus 90 plus what equals to 180 plus 24. Now you have all the angles, so just order the size. 24 has the smallest measure, so it's opposite to what? It's opposite to SR. Then 66, it's opposite to what? It's opposite to ST. This is the symbol of line. Then the longest one, which is angle S, it's opposite to what? To TR. Okay, that's it. Even in this one, add 6 with 10, it has to be greater than 15. Then 10, 15, it has to be greater than 10. Then you have 6, 15, it has to be greater than 10. Okay, question 24. You can change directly to decimal, or you can make it as a same denominator. This one multiplied by 4, it will be 2, 4 out of 8. The other one, it is 3, 5 out of 8. Okay, subtract them, then add them, then change to decimal again. Okay, in this case, question 26, we have Pythagorean theorem. In a right triangle, there's a right triangle. Okay, you have to do it by yourself. Right triangle, it's like this. Okay, this is hypotenuse. They say what? The right triangle B and D. So it is B, N, and D. Okay, they say what? Hypotenuse is BN, which is equals to 10. You know hypotenuse is the greatest angle in triangle, greatest sides of a triangle. Then one of the sides BD is 8. Find here. Okay, how can I find it? I'm gonna use Pythagorean theorem, which is equals to Bn power 2 equals to BD power 2 plus Dn power 2. Okay, or you can say C power 2 equals to A power 2 plus B power 2. Bn, it's given, which is equals to 10. As you can see, it is given, which is equals to 10 power 2. BD, again, this one is given to, which is equals to 8 power 2. Dn, you have to find it. We don't know. Dn power 2. This one, it will be 100 equals to 64 plus Dn power 2. Move 64 to the other side. 100 minus 64 equals to Dn power 2. Okay, 100 minus 64 equals to 36 Dn power 2. Take a square root. So dn equals to what? Equals to 6. Okay, so the length side, it's what? It's 6. Then write the side in order. It's given, it's already given. ND, then BD, then NP. Okay. Then in this case, they ask for what? List the side from each triangle. Okay. In order from shortest to longest. Let's see how can I solve it. In this case, you have to add them all, then is equals to what? It's equals to 180. How can I solve it? It will be 5x minus 2 plus 2x plus 90 equals to 180. Let's solve it together. So 5x minus 1 plus 2x plus 90 equals to 180. Okay. Add x's together, it will be 7x. We have negative 1, positive 90, so it will be plus 81 equals to 180. Then move 81 to the other side. 7x equals to 180 minus 89. 7x equals to 91. How to get rid of 7? Divide by 7, divide by 7, x equals to 13. Instead of each x, write 13. So 2 times 13. This case, this angle, it will be 26. This one, 5 times 13 minus 1 equals to, 75 minus 1 equals to 64. And this one, it's 90. Now, can I order the sides? Yes, of course. The smallest one, it's 26, which is opposite to BA, AB. Okay. Then, B has 64. It's opposite to what? To AC. Then the last one, it's 90. It's the greatest angle, so it's opposite to the longest side, which is equals to BC. Okay. Same thing for this one. When you find x equals to 10. Okay. Then order them. This one, it will be 5 times 10 minus 80 equals to 42. This one, 4.5 times n minus 5, which is equals to 40. And this one, it will be 98. Then order the side, it will be EF, then ED, then you have DF. Okay. In this case, they ask for what? Find the distance formula, just like case 2. Okay, find the distance between JK, then find the distance between KL, then find the distance between JL. Okay. Even this one, BC and CD, it's given. So just minus them and add them. When you minus them, it will be 2. When you add them, equals to 40. Then, even in question 36, they ask for the third side. Let's see. 8 minus 6. 8 plus 6. So, 8 minus 6, it is 2. The other one is 14. So it's between 2 and 14. But pay attention, 2 and 14 is not included. Then we have 5 and 7. 7 minus 5. Write the inequality sign. It's 2n. Okay. 7 plus 5. Okay. 7 plus 5. 7 minus 5, it is 2. We have 2n. 7 plus 5 equals to what? 12. How to get rid of 2 next to n? Divide by 2, divide by 2, divided by 2. So 1 and 6. So it's between 1 and 6. The other one, it is 6 minus 3. We have n plus 1, 6 plus 3. Okay, 6 minus 3, it is 3. N plus 1, 6 plus 3 equals to 9. How to get rid of positive 1? Each one minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. So 3 minus 1, it will be 2. N remain 9 minus 2, it is 8. So it's between 2 and 8. For this one, they ask for what? N plus 1, N plus 2, N plus 3. You know, and it has to be positive, so or greater than 0. The other one, you have to add this one and this one. It has to be greater than the second one, the third one. Then add this one and this one. It has to be greater than the first one. Then add first one and the third one, and it has to be greater than the middle one. So it will be 1 and 7. It's between 1 and 7. Even this one n is greater than 1, or you can say 0.5. And then we have another type of questions. They give us two triangles and they say compare between them, write greater than, less than, or equal to. Before I solve it, you know the measure of triangle, it is 180. So 54 plus 75 plus what equals to 180? Plus 51. Even here it's 51, okay? Because when you add them all, it will be 51 degrees. Let's see. QS and PS. QS, here is QS. It is opposite to what? It's opposite to 75. So this one is 75, QS. What about PS? Okay, PS. Where is it? It's opposite to what? It's opposite to 54. So which one is greater? Of course, QS. The other one, PQ. We have PQ. Okay. PQ, it's opposite to what? It's opposite to 51. Okay. And we have QS. QS, it's opposite to what? It's opposite to 54. Sorry, it's opposite to 75. This one, it's opposite to 75. So which one is greater? QS is greater. Okay. QS is greater. Then we have QS and QR. QS equals to what? QS, it's opposite. This one. QS, it's opposite to 51. Because we are talking about this triangle now, okay? So QS, it's opposite to 51. The other one, it's QR. It's opposite to what? To 78. So, of course, QR is greater. Okay. Then we have, let's see, RS and PS. RS, okay. RS, it's opposite to 51, right? RS, it's opposite to 51. What about PS? Where is PS? It's opposite to what? It's opposite to 54. So which one is greater? Of course, 54. And the other questions is like this. The second part, they ask for what? Find the measure of ABE. Okay. This one, it's equals to 6. The measure of B, it's opposite to 6. The measure of E, it's opposite to 4. So which one is greater? Of course, 6. The other one, we have CBE. So we are talking about this part, okay? B, it's opposite of 7. The other one, it's opposite to E. It's opposite to what? It's opposite to 5. So which one is greater? Of course, 7. On the other question, continue. Okay? They say what? Shirwan said that LM is longer than LN. In the adjacent figure, where's the error? Find the correct answer. If you find the measure of M, you know this one is 180, right? So 180 minus 50, when you find this one, it will be 35. So if it is 35, then LM, it will be, which is opposite to 25, it's opposite. So the measure of M, it is 35. Okay, that's why Ln, it will be greater than the other one. Now we have write the angles in order from smallest to largest. Okay, choose the smallest side. It's 4. It's opposite to the smallest angle, which is L. Then the second smallest one, it's 4.5, which is opposite to T. So it will be LT. Then B. Which one is LTB? C. Two sides in a triangle are of the length 8 and 12. Okay? Find the range possible for the length of the third side. This is case 3. Subtract them, then add them. 12 minus 8. Write the inequality. 12 plus 8. Okay? 12 minus 8 equals to 4. 12 plus 8 equals to 20. So the third side is between 4 and 20. But again, I'm going to repeat it. 4 and 20, it's not included. Then it's review for chapter 3, lesson 6. Find the slope-intercept equation of the line passing through the point 3, negative 3 and 4 with perpendicular to the line 3y minus 4x plus 2. The equation written as y, no, so you have to change it to sy equals to, when you move negative 4x to the other side, it will be positive 4x. When you move positive 2 to the other side, it will be negative 2. Now, can I decide m equals to what? No, of course. So, divided by 3, divide by 3, divide by 3. Y equals to 4 out of 3x minus 2 out of 3. Now, m equals to what? M equals to 4 out of 3. Can I use the same slope? No, because they say perpendicular. So, you have to reciprocal and change the sign. It will be 3 out of 4. Then use the rule of y minus y1 equals to m x minus x1. Okay? x1, y1, it's given, and you find the slope, then solve it. The answer will be y equals to negative 3 out of 4x plus 7 out of 4. Okay? And let's solve some national questions about this topic. Question 15, they ask for what? Two sides in a triangle are length 5 centimeter and 8 centimeter. Find the range possible of the third side. I'm gonna add them. It's case 3. Subtract them in this side. On the other side, I'm gonna add them. Okay? 8 minus 5 equals to 3. 8 plus 5 equals to 30. So it is B. Which three sides can be the sides of a triangle? Let's see. If you add this one, 18 plus 14. Is it greater than 32? No, it's equals to 32, so it's not correct. 3 plus 3 is greater than 6? No, it's not, so even this one is not correct. 2 plus 9 is greater than 12? No, it's 11. 11 is not greater than 12. So 10 plus 7 at 17, it's greater than 4. Okay? It is greater than 4. When you add 7 plus 4, it is 11, it is greater than 10. When you add 10 with 4, it will be 14, which is greater than 7. So A is correct. Even this one, it's case 3. Subtract them, then plus them. 7 plus 2. When you subtract them equals to 5, and the other side equals to 9. So A is correct. Question 12. ABC is a right triangle. Pay attention. You have to make a triangle. It's right triangle, okay? A, B, and C. A, B, and C, okay? Angle A is 35. B, you know, it's right triangle, so it is 90. As you know, the measure of triangle, it's what? It's 180. So 35 plus 90 plus what equals to 180? Plus 55. Okay? Then order them. 35, it's opposite to what? It's opposite to BC. So this one is the shortest side. Then we have 55, which is opposite to BA or AB. Okay? Then the last one, 90, it's opposite to what? It's opposite to CA. So which one is correct? C is correct. Again, for this one, we have 6 and 11. Subtract them. 11 minus 6. 11 plus 6. Okay? 11 minus 6 equals to 5. 11 plus 6 equals to 15. So C is correct. What's the length of hypotenuse of a right triangle? So again, you have right, triangle. They ask for this one, the longest side in a triangle. As I told you, it's hypotenuse. So the lengths over perpendicular sides are 9 and 12. This one is 9, they are perpendicular to each other. This one is 12. You have to use Pythagorean theorem. Let's solve it. This one is C, this one is A, this one is B. So C power 2 equals to A power 2 plus B power 2. C power 2 we don't know. A power 2 it is 9 power 2 plus B power 2 equals to 12. Sorry. C power 2 equals to 81 plus 144. C power 2 equals to 225. Take a square root for each side equals to 15. So which one is correct? 15 is correct. C. And even this one you have to add 16 with 6, then subtract them. This one we did it in practice, and the angle is the greatest one. Which angle is the greatest one? It's 12, which is opposite to B. Okay, and let's see question 6. Pay attention. Two sides of a triangle are 6 and 10. Again we will say 10 minus 6, 10 plus 6. 10 minus 6 equals to 4. 10 plus 6 equals to 16. 2 it's included for between 4 and 16. No. 16 is included. No, because there is no equal sign here. If there is equal sign, so we can say 12, but there is no. So even 16 is no. 4 again, same reason. No, because there is no equal sign. 12 is between 4 and 16. Yes, so 12 is the correct answer.